Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Blessings. Good morning, my people. One love and one heart. True Jamaican Vibes. Fire Reid. Yeah, man, so you don't know, it's an early morning thing this morning. Take a tour on the farm. And always remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell for more videos. So I'm giving a tour on the farm this morning, so keep on watching, guys. One love, one heart. Blessings, you know. Yes, my people, one love and one heart, you know. Make sure so the machete ready for the farm, you know. Early jelly in the morning. See them, my people. One fresh coconut before I go up on the farm. So yeah, man, you know, say coconut have a lot of health benefits, good for hypertension and stuff. So blessings, you know. Ready. Full of water. Can't make it meat waste, you know. Real countryman style. Yeah, man. See there? So just keep on watching. Yeah, man. See sauce up tree. Yeah? Good for the nerves and also cancer. Some organic callaloo. Nothing like in the early morning, just wake up, cut a bungle of callaloo. Also with some banana and saltfish breakfast, you know. Real countryman style. Country life sweet. Yeah, man, so on the farm we have some cabbage. Organic. As you can see, a lot of holes. So welcome to Fire Reid farm, you know. So right here I have some sweet peppers. This is my sweet pepper farm. As you can see the leaf, this is disease. Very hard to take care of organic. So normally I would use some Epsom salt. And you know Epsom salt, it gives the pepper a nice flavor. So take a look on the farm. So as you can see, I saw mango time now in Jamaica, you know. Close to May. You know, say a mango time. Anytime of crab season, I always find it's mango time also. Then we have some green skin mango, you know. Yeah man, so you see, this is some goat feed. We have to cut down some of the coconut leaf them. Because you know, say a dry weather now and the goat them can't really get no feeding. So you have to use some coconut leaf. There's some merengue right here. Yeah man, you know, say the merengue tree blossom have a lot of health benefit also. Yeah man, some really hard breadfruit them, you know. Country life sweet. Yes, some people say I don't know, say them road you have to chat a morning time, same way we go up on the farm. A lot of walking. Yeah man, so you don't know Fire Reid. So keep on watching guys. Yeah man, it's some wire fence posts. You know say in Jamaica, see them here? Them call it the lagwood. Very tough post them. And we use it for fencing. Yeah, man. Lime tree there. Body know say mango time again. See it my people pumpkin there. Some real common mango them. Yeah. Body supposed to know about the common mango them. See here some sweet corn. Yeah, man, also some bean. Some lady finger. Some people call it okra. Hear the sound of the bees. So here's some people country life sweet, you know. Yeah, man, underneath the ackee tree. Right now I know it's not ackee season right now, but you don't know this is a ackee tree on the farm same way. Yeah, man, this you call them the garden bean, you know. Be a garden bean, nice make soup. Here's some people, welcome to the pumpkin farm, you know. Yeah, man, the pumpkin them soon ready. Yeah, man. So you have a lot of pumpkins. So growing up, I really like farming. I like to farm a lot of different stuff. But right now, dry weather kind of depend on we right now because need some rain. You know, so every morning I have to get up and water the pumpkin root and make sure so them keep cool. And that is not an easy work. Get up every morning and water the pumpkin them. A lot of pumpkins. So yes guys, and remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel, you know. True Jamaican Vibes. Yeah, man, you see pumpkin them run off, they run off pretty. Yeah, I don't really want to clean out the bush them out of the pumpkin too much because can I leave the bush them in night because the bush can keep them cool because we don't really have a lot of water right now, so the bush can keep them cool, and pumpkin like bush also. Yeah man, see it there? The place a man born and grow. Can't forget them place, you know. Yeah man, the pear tree. Also the green skin mango, same way. So yes, people, so thank you all for watching my channel. Remember to hit the like button and give it a big thumbs up.